want to do a no-cook chilled cucumber soup.
I love cucumber
okay?
soup.
It's great, right?
Delicious.
So we take our seeded cucumbers in here.
Right.
Right? Nice and easy. And then we add our yogurt. I'll have you help me do that.
Greek yogurt, sure.
A little oil here. Come with you.
Vegetable stock?
A little vegetable stock, yep. Some...
Lots of fresh herbs.
Yep.
Dill.
Dill. We have some scallions, some parsley.
Scallions. Parsley.
Okay. Put that in there. Very good. Okay, now we'll blend that up.
Lemon
a
juice,
little lemon
right?
juice, yep.
And salt and pepper.
Now, some people say, should you put salt? Well, the amount of salt you end up putting in here is really not that much. And so, you want more, I know you do, right? I know you.
We've been
if
cooking
you
a long
do have
time acidity, you could put in a fat pinch of salt, whiz it up, and then add more if you want it.
That's right.
I am a salty girl. What do
you are a salty girl. Okay, so
Okay.
We're gonna blend it up a little bit. Now, the beauty of this is that, first of all, if you make it because you have a lot of time but don't have time to eat it right away, I've learned this from you, you can actually freeze the soup. It's easy to freeze the soup. And
yeah,
so
anything, your favorites, soups, stews, vegetable chilies, anything like that, I cool everything. In this case, it's a cold soup. But if you're working with a hot soup or a favorite sauce of the family, cool it to room temperature.
That's right.
Put it in individual freezer bags and store them all flat in the freezer. It takes up no space.
That's right.
And you can portion control all of your own food.
Right, and that's the key, right? This takes minutes.
Right.
Very good, has fiber in it, it's low in calories, and it fills you up.
And it's refreshing.
Very
it's a
refreshing.
great snack. He has to bring snacks to the stadium because we all know, stadium food, if you eat it every day.
Yes.
Not a great idea, right?
The hot dog's okay every once in a while, but not every day.
Every once in a while, not
right,
every single
right.
day. So now we're going to do a little weigh-in, but
Yeah.
I want to hear from Coach. What's your favorite tip that you've learned from working with Dr. Ian so far? Do you have one?
Well, getting up and eating breakfast.
Right?
Because-
as he was saying, get that metabolism.
Because for me, we practice at 11 o'clock.
Right.
And if I don't eat breakfast, I won't eat again. The first time I'll eat is 2 o'clock.
Right. So you're trying to train your metabolism. That's why so many small meals
We want
throughout
small,
the day.
frequent meals for two reasons. One, keep that metabolism nicely stoked, but also to prevent you from overeating. See, someone who eats twice a day, they want to sit down to 2,000 calories at one time.
Right.
And that's when you get in trouble. You want to distribute the calories equally throughout the day.
And keep that motor running on the
Absolutely.
metabolism.
You better
Very
believe it.
important, very
Yep.
important. Okay, so are we gonna do the big weigh-in?
Yeah, let's see what's up. We gotta.
You go around there, you're the boss of that.
Yep.
I'll throw in the little basketballs.
Yep.
We get to add one of these basketballs to the jar every time Coach loses a pound.
Okay, so his current weight is 218.
Which means he's lost a total of how much?
22 pounds.
22! I wish I was this talented on an actual basketball court.
Yeah, me too.
So, what is your next goal, guys? What's our goal for Super Shred?
So for Super Shred, I think.
Incidentally, did you boys call each other?
I know,
today?
really, right? Look at this. I mean, geez. Now, see, if we were women, we'd be like, "How dare you!" But instead of like, "Oh, okay, I like that. I like that."
Exactly.
I just noticed that. I'm like, what the heck? They look like a tablecloth. Hilarious.
Same shit.
So you're gonna do Super Shred.
It was
What's our
accelerated
goal?
version. I think 10 pounds in 4 weeks is very attainable for him. I mean,
10 pounds, 10 more pounds.
10 more pounds.
Minimum. Doesn't mean he could lose
He
more.
can lose more, but if he did 10 pounds, that'd be 32 altogether. Wow.
Wow.
So I'd be very happy. 10
Very
pounds on
proud of
Super
you,
Shred.
Coach.